ändringen så får vi se.
Hello and welcome to our screencast of our page Share It, which we made during the course TDDD27 in Advanced Web Programming. My name is Tobias, and also with me are Johan. Say hello.
Hello.
So the main idea with Share It is to share stuff, and that's basically it. User create content and stuff. So let's log in and check it out.
So this is the first view that you reach when you have logged into our system. It lists all the posts that is in the system, and we are right now in the main category, which is called content. Here you can see your own posts as well as other posts. We have a menu here which you can use to filter posts. So now we are in the art section, so we will only see things that is related to art. Currently 2 posts, and we can go back and we are now in the main menu again, so we see everything, and we have the possibility to sort the posts on title, on dates and votes, and we can do it in ascending or descending order as we like. We have created this page with HTML5 concept of a stack, so you basically never have to reload the page, and because we can create or recreate the state that you previously was in by invoking the stack, and this is done through usage of Ajax. So we are inserting page fragments from the server into this page and make them viewable for the user, and then uses the stack to navigate through the system. So that's basically when you're clicking back, we are recreating the previous state, and so on. Exactly the same thing happens when you're using the page. So it's actually no difference there. Yeah, I guess that's it.
Yeah, let's take a more detailed look of an actual post. So yeah, I find this interesting, let's say. No, I didn't. Let's find something else, like this maybe. Yeah. So this is the actual post. It includes the vote of the actual post, and yeah, and you cannot download stuff. You can remove your own upvotes, because we feel like if you share something, then you shouldn't be downloaded. It's just mean. So I actually voted on this because I actually created this. So when you create something, you vote on yourself because you thought that this was worth sharing. So why not vote on yourself? But they can remove it if you like. So yeah, and this is the thumbnail. So, and you can choose to upload a thumbnail if you like, and this is the description, a very good one, I think. And this is the content, and this is actually a view of local content, because it doesn't have a URL or something like that, so it's actually uploaded on the server. So, and as you can see here, this is a response post, and we have one of these. So let's check it out. So this is a response post, and the main idea behind response post is that somebody does something that you think is good, and you think that you can enhance it or add something to it. Like if somebody made a model and you think you can do a nice texture for it, and so you can respond with a texture or something. So it basically can become a large tree of content, where there's something at the top and somebody adds at the branches and similar things. So let's create one of these. Edit this post. Let's create it in programming. Yeah, so let's write a nice title. Yeah. As you see here, we have a validation on the client done by JavaScript, and we're actually using eQuery a lot. as a toolkit, which you can actually see on the rounded corners and similar stuff. And yeah, so we have a client-side validation, but we also have server-side, of course. So because somebody can change the JavaScript or something like that. So let's add some things to make this valid. Yeah, and then we can see if we, yeah, this is an HTML5 feature, where we can check the content, the actual size of the file being uploaded, or rather to be uploaded. So if you add something like thumbnail, then you see it's half a megabyte, and we can have 2 megabytes, so it fits. And yeah, it's a HTML5 feature, as I said, so we use it here content as well. And yeah, let's add something here to make this valid, like text, and a lot of text. So this is now valid, and this is the actual content. So here you can upload content or link the content, and you have a limit here of the space, of course. So I'll show some stuff, some pictures. I didn't like this one, so I removed it. And we can link to some content. And this actually allows you to write basically anything, so it's up to the user and admins to make it work. Like that. And we share it. So this is how it ends up. And as I said before, you can respond to post. So let's do that. We send in post and like to respond to it. So another typo. Yeah, and this is the response post. So as you can see, it's got linked to its parent, and as well as you go back, let's see if you can do that. You can see it's end up here as well as a child post. And if you go back even further, you can see that it's got one response here. So yeah, and that's basically it when it comes to posts. And you can see it in the content browser, but you can also see it in the profile page, where you can see, oh, I got a lot of posts, and yeah, this is my post. And you can also see if you have voted on some post, it's end up as a favorite, but it's only other posts, so you can't favorite your own posts. And yeah.
Yeah, so well, when you have created a post, you might think that you want to like change part of the content because you are not happy with it. So you can go to the post and press edit, and then you reach the creation page actually, but it's now called edit. And as you see, it's the same form, but now it's filled with content. So let's say I didn't like my title because it says title 4 times. So I write something else much better. Yeah, exactly. And I didn't like this picture, thumbnail picture, so I remove it. And I forgot to add this to the content, so I add that and I save the changes. So now I updated the post to according to what I previously choose, and that's basically it's about editing. You can also remove your post. You have to click remove, and then you have to confirm, yes, I actually want to remove the post. I don't want to remove, so I don't click yes, A post also have a comments that is made by other users or by you. So let's add a comment, just like we'll write something, and yeah, the comment is written, and then you can respond to that comment in a tree-like structure. So yeah, and so when you have wrote a comment, you maybe you don't think that the content that you wrote were appropriate, and then you can delete it, and it's actually never deleted. It's just replaced by text that says that it's been deleted by the user, or even the administrator, if it's an administrator that is removing a comment. Basically that is our page. We have as well an admin panel. The admin panel is a standard standard administration panel that is used in Django. We actually use Django as our backend. The main purpose with the administration part is that the administrator should be able to remove or change things that is not the common user should be able to do. And as you see, there is a lot of field, and it's actually correspond directly to the database. And here we have no constraints of what we can enter, so we can basically enter any number. So we have to be careful. Well, that is our project. I hope that you enjoyed it.